Hi, we're back again. Hi everyone. Um, Welcome to this last. It's the last one, yes. Last Sudoku of today's newspaper, Saturday, May the 2nd, 2020. This last Sudoku is a tectonic puzzle, a.k.a. Suguru. So let's get started. Alright. I have an extra pencil. So find the first question. Find the single box. I do not see a single box here. Dual box. Yes, I see here a dual box. Triple box. Triple box. Yes. So these two boxes, numbers, are the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. These two left are the 1 and the 2. I cannot fill the 1 here. We have a 1 here. So the 1 goes there and the 2 goes here. That means the 2 cannot be filled in these two boxes. The 2 should be here or there. Yes, we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1. We have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. We have a triple box. The only numbers left are the 1 and the 3 here. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 should be here or there. That means the 2 cannot be in one of those two boxes, otherwise I cannot fill a 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 should be definitely here. So we have a pair here, the 1 and the 3. The 1 and the 3 in this triple box are left. The 3 cannot be filled here because we have a 3 here, so the 3 should be there and the 1 goes there. That means the 1 we have here, these two boxes cannot be a 1. This box should be the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. This should be the 3. We have a 1 here, so these two boxes cannot be the 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be this one. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 should be here or there. We have a 2 there, and the 5 is missing. We have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5. This should be the 5, this should be the 2. This box cannot be a 3, this box cannot be a 3, so the 3 should be here or there. And then these 3 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be this one. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 should be here or there. We have a 1 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. We have a 4 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 3 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 3, so 1 box is left for the 3, should be this one. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. Here we have 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. And I see these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be this one. This should be the 4 because we cannot fill a 4 in this box. We have a 4 here. This should be the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. This should be the 2. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1. This should be the 1. These two boxes cannot be a 3, so this box should be the 3. This box cannot be a 4. This box should be the 4. And this one should be the 2. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be the 4. These two should be the 4. And the 3, because this cannot be a 3. So this box should be the 2. These two boxes cannot be a 4, so one box left for the 4 should be this one. The other two boxes left for the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 1. This should be the 2. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2. One box left. 1, 2. Okay. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 should be here or there. It's a 1. No. See. Well, these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So we have these 2 and those 3. So the 3 goes in this box. Yes. That means the 1 is left here for this box. We have left the 5. Here cannot be the 5. So the 5 should be here and there. This box cannot be a 2. The 2 goes there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes here or there. We have a 1 here. That means these 4 boxes cannot be a 1. The 1 goes there. This box cannot be a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. That means this box cannot be a 3. This should be the 4. This one should be the 3. This box cannot be a 2 or the 5. So this should be a 4. 2 or the 4, 5, yes, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. Those 2 boxes, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. This box cannot be a 4, cannot be a 2, so we have a pair here, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So 1 box left for the 5. Alright. 2 and a 4. We have a 1 here. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. The 1 should be here or there. The 4. What box should be here? This I think 1. I think this is 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, this should be a 2. Well. The 3. The 1 cannot be here. The 1 cannot be here. The 1 cannot be there. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Think. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 2 digits left, the 4 and the 5 here. 1, 2, 3 and a 4, and we have a 5 here, so 3 and a 4 is a digit. Here cannot be a 4. Here cannot be a 3, because otherwise I cannot fill a 3 here. Cannot be a 2. So it's not a 1, it's not a 2, it's not a 3, it's not a 4, so this should be a 5. 5, yes. This should be 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 here, so this should be a 3. This should be the 4. So this box cannot be a 4. Here 4, there 4. And the 2 cannot be here. So the 2 as a pair, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. So this should be a 3. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. 4, 5. Alright. Okay. And now, suppose it's a 2 here. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 boxes cannot be a 2. And I cannot fill the 2 here because we have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2. This should be a 5. And this should be a 2. That means these 4 boxes cannot be a 5. This should be the 5. Alright. Now we're getting further. Alright. So 1, the 3. This box should be the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 there. 1, 2. Yes, this is nothing. 2 and a 4. Alright, now we go to wow. How about the 1, the 2? The 2 cannot be here. 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, and the 4, 5. Yes. So the 4 and the 3 goes there. Suppose it's a 4, then the 4 goes, okay. Suppose it's a 3. 3 can also. Think. The brains are walking. This cannot be a 3. We have a 3 here. Why I have put the 3 there? The 3 cannot be here, cannot be there. In these 2 boxes, cannot be there. Only place for the 3 should be here. Of course. So we have now the 1, the 2, and the 4 left. 1, 2, and the 4. 1, 2, and a 4. 1, 2, and a 4. 2 and a 4. 1, 2, 3. This should be the box of 4. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this should be a 4. If I have a 4 here, this should be a 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, this should be a 2. Then we have the 1 and the 4 left. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Alright. I cannot put the 4 there. We have a 4 here. So this should be the 1. This should be the 4. Alright. We have a 1 here. So these two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 should be there. The 3 is left. So the 3 goes here. This should be the 5. Okay, so this cannot be the 5 anymore. This cannot be a 5. So one box left for the 5 should be this one. The 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here. So this should be the 1. This should be the 4. This cannot be the 1. So here we have a 1 here or 1 there. What number should be? 1, 2, 3. This should be a 4. 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, so this cannot be the 5. This should be the 5. This should be the 1. Finish in 16 minutes. Oh, no. Not finish. We have a 2 here. This should be the 4. This should be the 2. We have a 2 here, so this should be the 4. And this should be a 2. Now it's finished. It's 16 minutes. Alright. Do you like this Tectonic? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you like or if you want. Hit that subscribe button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new ones. You will be notified by them. Download a PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Maybe you can improve your time or beat my time. Well, thank you for watching again. And thank you for watching this episode. I will see you next time. I do not know. Tomorrow, maybe you will see me. Thank you again, and keep on puzzling, people. Bye bye.